After Emma's remarkable progress in understanding idioms, she was eager to continue her journey of unraveling the hidden meanings of expressions. She exclaimed,
"Hey, Olivia! I had the most incredible day exploring Idiomville. I feel like I breezed through conversations, understanding all those unique expressions."
"That's fantastic, Emma. When you say you breezed through conversations, it means you easily understood and navigated through them without any difficulty."
"Thanks, Olivia. I have something to tell you, but I don't know if I should let the cat out of the bag just yet."
"Oh, come on. Don't keep me in suspense. What's the news?"
"Well, remember the puzzle contest I entered? I managed to solve it and won. Way to go, right?"
"That's amazing, Emma. When I say way to go, it means I'm showing approval and congratulating you on your success."
"Thanks, Olivia. Your support means a lot to me. By the way, have you noticed that grumpy villager who always complains? He's really driving me up the wall."
"I understand. When you say he's driving me up the wall, it means he's irritating or annoying you greatly."
"You're right, Olivia. I'll try to keep that in mind. Hey, have you seen that mysterious person lurking around? I think we should keep an eye on him. He seems to know a lot about idioms."
"Interesting. When you say keep an eye on him, it means we should watch or monitor him closely."
"Absolutely. We should strain every nerve to unravel the secrets he holds." "Oh, and speaking of secrets, I fell for one of his playful tricks today. He's a master at pulling one's leg."
"Oh, that mischievous old man. When you say he's pulling one's leg, it means he's teasing or joking with someone in a playful manner."
"Definitely. You know, I've noticed that some villagers are fixed in their ways. They turn up their noses at anything new or different."
"True, Emma. When you say they're fixed in their ways, it means they are unwilling to change or try new things. And when you say they turn up their noses, it means they show disapproval or disdain for something."
"Absolutely, Olivia. But let's not let that discourage us. We're eager beavers, always ready to explore new horizons."
"You're right, Emma. We won't be held back. We'll continue on our journey, straining every nerve to learn more about idioms."
Speaking of which, do you know what they say about Dutch courage? It's when someone gains false confidence by consuming alcohol.
Ah, yes. It's important to remember that true courage comes from within, not from external influences.
Exactly. And hey, Olivia, do you remember the rule of thumb about idioms? It's that they can't always be taken literally.
That's a good reminder, Emma. Idioms often have figurative meanings that may not make sense if interpreted literally.
Absolutely. And you know what they say, Olivia? A piece of cake is something that's very easy or effortless.
Yes, indeed. Learning about idioms may seem challenging at first, but with time and practice, it becomes a piece of cake.
Olivia, have you ever met someone who's a bad egg? It means they're dishonest or unreliable.
Oh, yes. I've encountered a few bad eggs in the past. It's important to be cautious and surround ourselves with trustworthy individuals.
Definitely, Olivia. And you won't believe what happened yesterday. The mysterious man we were keeping an eye on, well, he kicked the bucket.
Oh, no. When you say kicked the bucket, it means he passed away.
Yes, it was quite shocking. It made me realize that sometimes we jump the gun by making assumptions about people based on appearances.
That's a valuable lesson, Emma. We should always be careful not to jump to conclusions too quickly.
Absolutely, Olivia. And you know what they say, even though our journey is just a drop in the ocean of knowledge, it's an exciting and worthwhile adventure.
I couldn't agree more, Emma. Every step we take, every idiom we learn, brings us closer to understanding the fascinating world of language. And so, Emma and Olivia continued their conversation, exploring idioms and their meanings, as they embraced the adventure of unraveling the mysteries of Idiomville. Together, they navigated through the twists and turns of language, eager to learn and grow. Let's re-look at the idioms learned in the story. Breeze through something, to complete or accomplish something quickly and effortlessly. Dutch courage, the false sense of bravery or confidence that comes from consuming alcohol. Hit the nail on the head, to accurately identify or address a situation or problem. Let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret or confidential information. Way to go, an expression used to show approval or congratulate someone for their achievement or success. Driving me up the wall, annoying or irritating someone greatly. Rule of thumb, a practical principle or guideline that is generally true or reliable. Keep an eye on him, to monitor or watch someone closely. To turn up one's nose, to show disapproval or disdain for something, to reject or look down upon something. Eager beaver, a person who is enthusiastic, eager, and proactive in their approach to work or tasks. To strain every nerve, to make an intense or extreme effort, to work extremely hard. Pulling one's leg, teasing or joking with someone in a playful manner. Fixed in their ways, being unwilling to change or try new things, having a rigid mindset or habits. Piece of cake, something that is very easy or effortless. A bad egg, a person who is dishonest, unreliable, or untrustworthy. Kicked the bucket, a euphemism for dying or passing away. Jumping the gun, acting or making a decision prematurely, without waiting for all the relevant information. A drop in the ocean, a very small or insignificant amount compared to the overall quantity or scale of something.